All right. This specific video is to show you how to manage the text in what we call typography within the page builder. And it works like this. So one of the things that's important is when you're looking at it, you have to actually go click over it and then you highlight it and then you go ahead and you click on typography. So if you follow the cursor, you see what I'm doing? And you go right there and then you look at typography and you can see font size, weight. Now what's interesting is going to get down to color. How can you control the color? Right where it says font color, you can literally put, by using the color code and palette, or you can click on the actual color palette code or builder and you can determine the color you want to make it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take this word BTC and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to color a different color. I'm going to put on this blue color. You see what I did? I did blue and it changed blue, but now I also get to know what my colors are. So I like that color blue or not. If I want it to be a different color blue, I could change it. But right now, I know the color blue. I'm going to save this because I don't want to look that up. One of the tricks I like to use is color palette. When you put that up there, you get to learn the colors and their numbers offhand. I like to use Google for speed. Then I type that in. And once I know the color palette, I put it in there. So that I might want to make it orange or red or blue. And there's many other ones, other palettes out here. First, here's a palette in Scheme Designer. Let's see if this is one. Let it load. So you put your cursor on it, it gives you the color. You put the cursor on it, it gives you the color. Once you know the colors, you take the numbers and you copy it, right? Like in this case, it'll be the 40 whatever number that is, and I can copy it, and I can go, and it's going to give me that color. I might want pink or red. Doesn't matter. Double click on it. Then come down here, click on it, save, and I can go inside our system. And then once I get inside our system, I'm going to click on that palette, and I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste, and I'm going to click enter. Now I got that color red. That's what I like to do. But that's how you change it. Now I might want to change some other words, right? Let's say I want to change the rest of this stuff. I can do that the same way. That's black, but I can change it to a different color. That's how you change the colors. You fold that way down. It works for all of these, right? These are hyperlinks, but I can change any colors down. Just select what I want and then go to typography and I change it. Typography. Now, just so it's clear to you, when you want to know what you're working on, you click on whatever you're trying to change, and then you look over and it's going to give you options, and you scroll down until you get to typography. If you want to look at like video, right? When you click on it, you're going to come over and see settings, and you're going to see what provider is it? Is it YouTube or Vimeo? Who is it? And do you want it to be autoplay or not? If I were to click on these words, same thing. How about logo? When I click on logo, right? I can go here to go to dimensions. It's on auto right now. I could change that. I could change the padding. Are there any extras? I don't know. If there are, I could change positioning, right? And rotate it and do all kinds of things. It's this whole side over here that's broken down in different categories. Here you have the style manager, but here you have the blocks themselves. What blocks do I want to drag over and add to it? Here are, what are the different layovers here? We shouldn't call them layovers, but here are your different your layer manager. Here you have the component settings, but the two most commonly used are going to be your style manager and your open blocks. Style manager I use a lot for breaking down how I would like to set up an item or that's text. So there you go. Hope that helps you.